Another week, another Slab Stocks Rally Report sponsored by Rally. Rally is a platform that allows users to buy and sell shares of hundreds of collectible assets, including the highest graded Pele Elifabolague rookie card, one of only 5 PSA 9s in existence. In last week's report, we covered the Rally Kobe Bryant 03 Exquisite Patch Auto and the Hannes Wagner T206 SGC Authentic. However, the big increase of the week was the Mike Tyson Punch-Out WADA 9.4 A+, increasing 158%, and now it sits at $12.90 a share. If you missed last week's video, be sure to check it out to hear how Rally works. This message is sponsored by Rally. RSC Archive LLC may be referred to individually as Rally entity. Rally is not a broker-dealer, and securities are offered to investors via registered broker-dealers and members of FINRA and SIPC. Any private security investments contain a high degree of risk, and we urge you to review the full details and disclaimer at rallyroad.com/disclaimer. When thinking about the perfect combinations in life, I have some personal favorites. Peanut butter and banana, ice and coffee, brownies and ice cream, to name a few. But when it comes to perfect card combinations, it'd be hard to find something more perfect than LeBron and Exquisite. Now, the only difference is I can actually have my personal favorite combinations because they're affordable. However, thanks to Rally, so is a LeBron James Exquisite card, as coming up on Wednesday, September 29th, the 2004 Exquisite Extra Jersey Autograph, number to 5 in grade of BGS 9.5 with none higher, comes up for trading. Currently, this card is sitting at a price per share of $15. However, it was first offered on October 29th, 2020 for $10 per share, a total market cap of $50,000. Since being added to the platform, the card has gone from $10 to $15 a share, a 50% gain. This LeBron James card was released in his second season, which also happened to be the second year of Exquisite. It is one of the most important sets of all time, as it set the stage for what we know today as the National Treasures Rookie Patch Autograph, which are some of the most important cards in the marketplace. When people normally think about Exquisite basketball, they think about the rookie patch autographs numbered to 99. They think about the limited logos numbered to 75. But this particular copy from the Exquisite Extra subset is numbered to only 5 and features a bold blue autograph. Early 2000s cards can be subject to autograph fading, so getting a bold autograph is key. And there are only 3 total BGS 9.5s in the pop report, and this particular copy features a pristine 10 center and grade. So be on the lookout on Rally this Wednesday as it goes live for trading.
If you take a good long look at this 1957 Topps Mickey Mantle, you might start believing in ghosts, and there's a good reason for that. There's an airbrush figure just to the right of Mantle's bat. This caused a bit of a stir in 1957, with some people deciding it was just a utility worker or maybe even a photographer that got in the shot and was airbrushed out, while other people thought that it might just be Babe Ruth's ghost of all things making an appearance. While we know it's not a ghost, the mystery around this has caused this 1957 Mantle to be nicknamed the Ghost Mantle, and it has become one of Mantle's most historic cards. Because of the aura around this card, acquiring a high-graded card can become pricey. In fact, this PSA 8 is in the top 6.6% of all 1957 Topps Mantles, graded by PSA. Side note, if you're interested, this isn't the only Mantle on Rally. They also have the famed 1952, 1956, and 1961 Topps Mantles, as well as a 51 Bowman. This Mantle had an initial offering September 6, 2020, at a price of $1 a share, 8,000 shares available, and $8,000 market cap. Since the I.O., the card has been repriced 3 times. On December 29, 2020, share prices rose to $1.20 a share, a 20% increase from the I.O. On March 11, 2021, it increased to $2.50 a share. The final change was on June 20th, 2021, and saw share prices rise 5 cents a share up to $2.60 a share, where it currently sits, 160% above its initial offering price. The card will be on Rally this week, and it'll be curious to see where this historic Ghost Mantle can go from here.
There's also plenty of memorabilia available on Rally. This week, a pair of game used and autographed 1992 Jordan 7s are trading on Friday, October 1st. Currently, this pair of Jordan 7s is sitting at $6 per share and a current market cap of $42,000. Since these shoes were initially offered on February 23rd, the price per share did not change. The 1992 season is extremely important to Michael Jordan's career, as he wore the Jordan 7s on his way to his second consecutive NBA championship and Finals MVP, and not to mention he grabbed the gold medal with the Dream Team in the Barcelona Olympics in 1992. This particular colorway features a red, white, and blue sole with hints of gold throughout the shoe, including the Jumpman logo, which is a perfect colorway to commemorate the Dream Team and those 92 Olympics. The interesting thing about the Jordan 7s is that when they were released, it was the first Air Jordan shoe to exclude all Nike branding on the exterior. It was a shoe that really set the Air Jordan into being a brand of its own. On top of all that, the story of Rally's pair all comes down to an act of kindness. The shoes were given to a ball boy named Rick Lindstrom by MJ after Lindstrom overheard MJ tell his PR rep that he needed additional tickets to the game for personal guests. So Lindstrom offered Jordan his father's tickets, and MJ asked Lindstrom what he could do in return. So Lindstrom asked for his shoes from that game. After dropping 39 points, Jordan signed both shoes and gifted them to Lindstrom. Thank you everyone for tuning into this second Slabstox Rally Report sponsored by Rally. We're excited to track these assets throughout this week, but there are a couple more assets going live for trading, one of which is the Pokemon Red 1998 Game Boy WADA 9.2 A++ and the MJ Exquisite Quad Patch BGS 8.5 numbered to 3. Thank you all for watching this week's Rally Report, and we will see you all next week.